Hey beauty fans, it's packing time and my heart is full of gratitude. First, let me say how grateful I am every time a new order comes in. Today I'm packing an exclusive Diwali order. One stunning eyeshadow palette and one Lipscruby stick, each in its best loved flavor. This festival season, celebrate glowing eyes and luscious lips with colors and care that are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Don't miss out. Every product in our store is up to 60% off. Shop the best Diwali cosmetic deals online. Whether you're in India, Singapore, Malaysia, or anywhere in Asia, treat yourself or gift a friend some beauty and happiness. Visit TJD Shopping Private Limited. Come and grab the festival offer before it's gone. Are you ready for luxe eyes and silky lips for Deepavali? Let's get festive, let's get glowing, and let's make this Diwali truly radiant with every box, every color, and every smile.